Imagine typing just one prompt and an AI turns it into a complete 30-second story video. Not just random clips, but an actual short film with a beginning, middle, and ending. That's exactly what SeaArt AI just introduced in their new feature. And today we're going to test whether it can actually create watchable AI stories in one click. AI video tools are evolving extremely fast right now, but most of them still require a lot of work. You have to generate scenes separately, edit them together, add transitions, and basically build the story yourself. SeaArt is trying to change that. Their new feature claims that you can generate an entire short story video automatically just by writing a prompt. So in this video, we're going to test it. Inside SeaArt, when you will scroll down, you can see a list of apps to create story. Click on this app, and as you can see here, you can upload your own character if you want, choose background music, and simply write the prompt. For the first test, I am going to generate a 2D animated emotional story. The prompt describes a loyal dog waiting at a train station for its owner, eventually helping a lost child, and finally finding a new family. I also uploaded my own dog character. Let's see what the AI will create. And honestly, this is where the feature gets interesting. The AI actually tries to structure the story visually. You can see the waiting scenes, the snowy environment, the child arriving, and the final emotional moment. It's not perfect, but for a single prompt generation, the storytelling attempt is surprisingly good. These kinds of short, emotional AI stories are already going viral on platforms like Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. The prompt describes a tired delivery rider stopping during heavy rain and rescuing a stray puppy from the roadside. Let's see what SeaArt created. One interesting thing I noticed here is that sometimes the AI mixes styles inside the same video. Some scenes might look very realistic, while others suddenly shift into a slightly 2D animated or stylized look. But the interesting part is that the context of the story still stays intact. So even if the visual style changes a little, the narrative still makes sense, which means the video can still be used, especially for short-form content. There is one limitation you should know. Right now, the videos generated by this feature don't include dialogue, so characters won't talk in the scenes. But that's actually not a big problem, because you can simply add your own voiceover later and turn the clip into a complete story. In fact, this might even make the videos better for YouTube Shorts or Reels, where narration usually works really well. Another good thing is that you don't necessarily have to pay to experiment with it. SeaArt gives users some free credits daily, which means you can generate videos regularly without spending money. They also run creative challenges inside the platform, and if you participate in those, you can earn additional credits. So if you're experimenting with AI storytelling or short videos, you can keep generating content using those rewards. Overall, this feature is actually a really interesting step for AI storytelling tools. Instead of generating single clips and stitching them together manually, you can now create an entire narrative video from one prompt. And considering how fast AI video tools are evolving, features like this might soon be able to generate full animated short films automatically. I'm curious, would you actually use this one-click story video feature for content? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy exploring new AI tools, subscribe to Uprising AI, because we test the newest AI tech before everyone else.